Hey, what's going on YouTubers? It's your boy Altered Tech with a very special video. Today is Christmas Eve at the Altered Tech's household, and today I actually got my first gift from the Kardashian, aka my girlfriend. Now you guys know money isn't everything. Whatever she got me, I'll be very appreciative. It's a thought that counts. So here we have our little Christmas card, and now I'm pretty much gonna open up this gift. I have no idea what to expect. Maybe it's some socks. Alright, seems to be a box. No, oh my gosh, this is the OnePlus 6T. Holy crap, yo babe, you are amazing. How did you know I wanted this? Wow, this is, yo babe, how much did this cost you? This must have cost you at least 550 bucks. Holy crap. This is the OnePlus 6T. You know, I've been waiting to get this for months now. I never thought I would even be able to actually get this. This is one of the top phones of 2018.
You have a message.
Okay, hold on one second. It seems I got a message from Vyyyper. Let me just go ahead and see what he wants.
Woo! Any phone that comes out in 2018 without wireless charging is practically a food stamp phone, which means the OnePlus 6T is the greatest food stamp phone of all time because it still doesn't have wireless charging.
Yo.
What?
What did we just watch? Was he serious? Wait, he was serious? Nah, no, nah, chill. Nah, hell no, wait. You serious? He was serious. Oh, hell no, man. I'm about to, nah, heck no. Yo, what up YouTubers, it's your boy Altered Tech back again with another video, and I'm gonna give you guys right now 5 reasons why the OnePlus 6T is not a food stamp phone. It's not. Don't even get me started. No questions. This shouldn't even be a video. This is not even an argument. But just because Vyyyper actually said it, one of the hottest upcoming YouTubers out there, yo, I felt like I had to put this video out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get straight to it and give you guys the 5 reasons why the OnePlus 6T is not a food stamp phone. Alright, so reason number 1, the fingerprint reader is built into the display. It's actually inside the screen. Now this phone is the first phone from any major carrier that actually has a built-in fingerprint reader in the display. Now if that doesn't impress you, either you're a fanboy or you're just straight up ignorant. Now let's go ahead. Number 2. Now this phone runs with the Snapdragon 845, which is the top processor from Qualcomm from 2018, and is running Oxygen OS, which is perhaps one of the best operating systems you could get on an Android device. Now you're not going to find Oxygen OS on some food stamp phone from Boost Mobile or whatever. Now for number 3, the base model starts off with 6 GB of RAM. And if we're going to talk about food stamp phones have a maximum of 1 or maybe 2 GB of RAM. You're not going to find 4, 3, or even 6. 6 isn't unheard of. So you don't even waste your breath with OnePlus and food stamps in the same sentence. You know what? You pretty much, I shouldn't even have to go on any further, man. You're pretty much done at number 3. Number 4, the price is over $550 after fees. Now you're going to have to pay international fees. You know, we got that trade war with China, and you're going to have to be paying at least over 550 bucks out your pocket to get a phone. Now 550 bucks, that's like 3 months of groceries. This is not a food stamp phone. This is an expensive premium product, and it's one of the most fastest Android phones out there, if not the fastest Android phone. And lastly, number 5, you do get dual SIMs, and you do get your 3700 mAh battery for 2 days or 1.5 days of use. These are for the hustlers and, you know, people who are out there working all day, all night. You got your dual SIMs for your business phone number and for your home phone number. And you got that battery that stays running with you all day and all night, so you're never out of juice. So this argument is over. And you know what? You know what else? MKBHD, the king of tech on YouTube, he actually voted the OnePlus 6T as the best smartphone of 2018. Now I know you be watching his videos, Vyyyper. I know you're a big fan of his, Vyyyper. Now you know what? That's it. Game done. Over. Enough said. I don't have to say anything else. The OnePlus 6T, pay your respects to it. Recognize it. If you don't have it, go ahead and get it and see why it's one of the best phones of 2018 and why MKBHD voted this device as the best phone of 2018. Take your heads out the gutter. Now I dare you guys, click on my referral link if you guys want to save some extra 20 bucks on accessories, to go ahead to the OnePlus 6T website and purchase this device and see why everyone is talking about this phone. This is Altered Tech. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead in the comment section, let me know what you guys think. Are you guys with Team Vyyyper or are you guys with Team Altered Tech? This is Altered Tech signing out. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day as usual. Peace.